Hello again, this is JC. Today we're making super delicious dish using venison and Yu Choy, stir frying it. It's going to be delicious, nutritious, puruush. The venison is courtesy of our friend John Jun Balde. Please check out his channel. And he's our deer hunter together with our friend Jun Mana. So let's go! Hear the sizzling of the fried fish in the background, and that is gonna be paired with my beautiful Yu Choy venison stir fry. These are the main ingredients of my stir fry. I have 3 cloves of garlic, small sized onion, a teaspoon of ginger root. This is the venison. I cooked it in pressure cooker because I want it tender, and it's faster when you put it in the pressure cooker. And this is the Yu Choy. Ta-da! When you clean greens, I recommend you wash it with salted water, cold salted water. What is that? Oh, and this is my sauce. So this is about a tablespoon of sriracha. It's going to be a little spicy. And you can turn down the heat by making it maybe a teaspoon of sriracha. I put a tablespoon of soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I really don't measure, I'm sorry. Estimate. And I put some sesame seeds and sesame oil, maybe a teaspoon of sesame oil. And then some brown sugar. You can taste it and see if it's too sweet, then don't put the sugar anymore. Oyster sauce is sweet already. Okay, let's start. aking Yu Choy with venison. Mag-taste test na po tayo. Taste test model.
Hello everyone.
He's drinking his Japanese beer.
It's good. Wow. Let's put a little sauce.
Choy with the venison.
Good.
Yummy.
Then kick to it. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.